Ellen, you're on. You're on.
Okay, well, what I do is for my Carter scratch, I only use these two fingers. I use my thumb and then I anchor my fourth finger on the, and then I alternate like that. And then I add a few hammer-ons too. So let's do the chorus together. Better time, better times will come, better time, better times will come when this world learns to live as one. Oh, better times will come. So when there's just two strokes, sometimes to give it some dynamics, I'll just won't do the bass line and I'll just go the two strokes. Oh, better times will come. There you go.
Ellen, can you focus in on that hammer on when you're playing a G chord?
When I'm on the G chord and you're doing your Carter scratch and you are alternating your bass notes, when you alternate to the C, you just lift up on your index finger. So it's like that. It takes a while to coordinate it, but it's just like doing the, but you just go and lift up. There you go. Okay. And then when you're on your C, you can kind of come up to these bass notes and do the same thing. Same thing, and then back to your G. There you go.